What if I told you that creating animated videos, without any design skills, expensive software, or endless editing, was now possible with just a few clicks? Sounds unreal, right? But with AI-powered tools evolving at lightning speed, it's actually happening. Today, I've got something truly exciting for you. An incredible AI tool called Animate AI that can bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Whether you want to create kids' stories, educational animations, or even marketing content, this tool does it all. And guess what? You can even turn it into a money-making machine. So stick around because I'm going to take you on a deep dive into Animate AI. And by the end of this video, you will know how to turn simple AI-generated animations into a profitable business. Sounds interesting? Let's get started. First things first. How do you get access to Animate AI? It's super simple. Just head over to their website, and you'll find a clean and user-friendly interface that guides you through the process. No complicated downloads, no technical headaches, just a smooth experience from the start. You can either sign up for a free trial or jump right into their premium plans for more advanced features. Once you're in, you'll see how intuitive the dashboard is. You can start by choosing a theme or an animation style. Whether you want a classic cartoon feel, a modern vector animation, or something more unique, Animate AI gives you a variety of options to experiment with. And the best part? You don't need any animation experience. Just type in your script, pick a few settings, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Now, let's put this to the test and create something exciting, an animated kids story. Imagine being able to bring a bedtime story to life in minutes. With Animate AI, this is easier than ever. Let's say I want to create a fun story about a curious little astronaut who travels to a candy planet. All I need to do is type in the story, select a visual style, and the AI automatically generates animations that match the narrative. But here's where it gets even cooler. Animate AI doesn't just create static animations. It understands context, adding smooth character movements, lip-syncing dialogue, and even background transitions to make the story flow naturally. Want your astronaut to wave or jump with excitement? Just click on the character and choose from pre-built animations. It's that simple. Plus, the voiceover feature is a game changer. You can either upload your own voice recording or let the AI generate realistic voiceovers with different accents and tones. This makes it perfect for parents, educators, or content creators who want professional quality storytelling without hiring voice actors. Within minutes, we have a beautifully animated kids story, complete with moving characters, expressive voices, and a captivating background. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience, just a creative idea, and Animate AI takes care of the rest. See how easy that was? Now, imagine the possibilities. You could create dozens of kids' stories like this, share them online, and build an entire brand around animated storytelling. And the best way to truly see the magic of Animate AI is to try it yourself. So go ahead, explore the free trial, play around with different features, and start bringing your stories to life. Who knows? This could be the start of something big for you. Now, let's talk about the part you've been waiting for. How can you turn this into a money-making opportunity? The demand for animated content is booming. Businesses, content creators, educators, and even parents are constantly looking for high-quality, engaging animations. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert animator. With Animate AI, you can start creating stunning animations in minutes and build multiple income streams. Let me show you how. One of the biggest opportunities is YouTube. Kids' content is massive on the platform, and animated storytelling is one of the most profitable niches. With Animate AI, you can consistently create fun and engaging kids' stories, build a YouTube channel, and start earning through ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. Imagine having a channel where kids eagerly wait for your next animated story. That's a goldmine. If freelancing sounds more appealing, you can offer animation services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. There are thousands of businesses looking for animated explainer videos, educational content, and custom storytelling. With Animate AI, you can deliver high-quality animations without spending weeks learning complicated software. And here's the kicker. You can charge anywhere between $50 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity. That means just a few projects per month could add up to a solid income. Want to create something more passive? Consider selling digital products on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. You can design a series of animated bedtime stories and sell them as digital downloads. Parents are always on the lookout for unique, engaging content for their kids, and a beautifully animated story collection could become a steady passive income stream. But that's not all. Schools and online educators are actively searching for creative ways to make learning more interactive. If you can create animated lessons, storytelling videos, or even fun educational flashcards, you can sell them directly to teachers, homeschooling parents, or even e-learning platforms. This is a huge market, and you could be one of the first to tap into it with minimal effort. And let's not forget social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Watch are pushing short-form video content harder than ever. Imagine posting bite-sized animated stories, educational clips, or fun skits and growing a massive audience. The more views you get, the more you can monetize through brand deals, affiliate marketing, or even selling exclusive animated content. The best part? All of this is scalable. The more animations you create, the more income streams you generate. And since Animate AI handles most of the work, you can focus on creativity and strategy rather than getting stuck in technical animation processes. So why wait? Start creating, start selling, and turn your passion into profit. If you found this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.